Iwemi dene. Today's lesson. Eni oge mavedo ikbiabihu iwemi no giene. Edo names for male and female, part 4. Okwemo say, war is not pleasant or beautiful. Uhuma ogie, death knows no king. Orobosa, in God's hands. Idemudia, I stand gallantly. Iyobo, help. Iyobosa, God's help. Ikwoyeme, fun is what I love. Ekoro say, the mind is one's beauty. Osama, God is good. Osamagbe, God is so good. Osae, God knows. Oko, Prince. Osaboye, God judges. Ehi, destiny. Osazuame, God chose wealth for me. Erauyi, Father is glorious, or Father is one's glory. Ebuwa, massive wealth. Osarume, God did for me. Ekome, only my mind I know. Egwakun, sea palace. Enore say, one who knows good deeds. Inyenoma, good news. Isoke, contentment. Enwai, wisdom. Orosa, God's own. Itoha, mercy. Odosa, God's way. Iyesogie, mother is supreme. Ifueko, calm mind. Ewe, good luck. Wala waga wemina, nuwale lelima bugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to follow us. Thank you.